So I had somebody comment the other day that they were having a problem with their blackberries, and I told them I was seeing the same thing. I told them what I thought it was at the time. I think I've changed my mind, so let me show you what the problem is, and then show you, tell you what I think it is, what I think happened. And maybe you've seen the same thing in your blackberries. It's kind of disheartening a little bit. So first of all, they look pretty good this year. I mean, the new canes coming up. All this is new growth, and I mean, it is beautiful. I've got 10 canes coming out of this one container. If you don't follow me, if you don't know what I'm talking about, these are wicking tubs, containers, about 18 to 20 gallons, and I plant, I've grown blackberries in them for the last 5 years. This is my 5th or 6th year. And they look fantastic. But the problem is, the guy asked me about his blackberries. He had the same problem I had. And what we found was, we had a lot of blooms, nice blooms, early blooms. Mine were in probably late February, early March. And then they did this. They just came out to they're just brown. They're not viable. They died, I guess you'd say. And so I told him I was seeing the same thing. And now this is last year's cane. This is going to be a floor cane. But the blooms, the early blooms, just did not make it. They did not turn into blackberries like they're supposed to do. And I mean, it's rampant. It's everywhere. All these blooms. All these blooms, dead, 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 dead. Whole cluster of them, dead, dead, dead. So, what I told him was, I thought it was pollination, that we just wasn't getting the pollinating that we should, because I hadn't seen a lot of bees in my, on my blackberries early enough to have been pollinating these. And I don't think he commented whether or not he was sure about his or not, as far as the bees go. But I thought that's what this was. But now I really believe it's because we got a cold spell, and I think it just got colder than what I thought it got down to. That just confirms what I'm trying to, what I think happened to these, because now I'm getting some blooms on the same canes now. That bloom right there is on this same cane that's got some dead berries on it, and it's got some live berries. See those green, nice, beautiful green berries. Green berries. So I think the ones that and those are all seem to be very viable. I mean, they seem to have been pollinated well. And I think it just got colder than what I originally believed it got down to. I thought it was like 32, 31, maybe 30, but I wouldn't have thought that 30 degrees, if that's what it got down to, and it may have got down a little lower than that, and I just don't know. But you know, I look at the weather and the temperatures and especially when I'm counting on things like this, I look at it pretty closely, and I believe they said for my area, it got down about 30, 31. It either got down below that, or 30 degrees will kill a bloom, will kill a berry. And I just wouldn't have thought so. I thought 28, I know it like on peach trees and stuff like that, 28 degrees is what you kind of look for so many hours, and it'll kill a bloom, and you won't make a peach. But so I think that's what happened to mine. Look at me, just dead blooms everywhere, dead berries everywhere, just everywhere. So I lost a big part of the crop, because again, it's rampant. It's every cane. And problem is, it seems to me, my experience has been that once these canes produce berries, last year's canes, the floor canes, they produce berries, they will die. You know, of course, that's what we know anyway. They died, we prune them back. But if they produce berries that didn't make, they still kind of die. But I do have a few, like I just showed you, that these died, and this cane looks terrible. This cane looks like it's wanting to die. But back on the other side of that, I got a bee right there I'm not really wanting to get close to, are making some good canes. I mean, some good berries. So that's what I am seeing. And again, it is rampant. I have got a bumblebee just buzzing me, and I don't want him to do anything to me. But I've been pruning quite a bit. I'm gonna pinch the tip of that because it's above my trellis wire. Trellis wire here, plant cane there, about 6 inches above. That's where I'm gonna prune. This one just a couple of days ago had just barely hit this bottom trellis wire, and now it's above the top trellis wire. I'm gonna let it get about an inch or two taller before I prune it, before I pinch it. I want it to be above it to where it's not going, a good wind's not going to blow it off, and then I'll prune it about an inch or two higher than what it is right now, and then I'll tape tie it right there so it doesn't blow over or anything. But anyway, I just want to show you that. You may have seen that. If you have, let me know if I'm right, if my theory is correct, that we just got more cold weather, or colder weather than what I thought. So I lost a bunch of berries in the first batch of berries, of blooms that they put out. But I'm also gonna get a bunch more. Now again, this is all flora canes from last year. Some of them produced early blooms, and I lost them. Some of them are producing late blooms, and those are gonna make berries. It might be 50-50, but I think probably more like I lost 60% maybe. And of course, then we still got all these are primocanes, and I have got a ton of beautiful primocanes in every one of these tubs just about. Some of them a little bit better than others. But, and of course these primocanes, within a couple of weeks, those primocanes are gonna start blooming, and 2 or 3 weeks after that, gonna have berries. So, you know, I'm not losing that many berries. I'm just saying that this cane right here, it would have, could have, should have produced a lot of berries. And I hope I'm zooming in enough where you can see exactly what that looks like. That there's just nothing there. I mean, it's just a dead, it wants to be a berry, it wanted to. It just didn't make it, just died. So I'm gonna come in here probably pretty early. As soon as if something doesn't have any viable blooms on it, like this one, I don't see any viable blooms. Yes, there is too. This one's got some that are good, some that are making it. So I won't cut that out. There's another one right there. And those are fixing to bloom out right there. So I guess I'll just leave them all alone until they all produce and then die, and then prune them out. I just pruned out, I'm ashamed to say, a lot of this pruning's on the ground you see. It's not extensive, but it's quite a bit. These are prunings I should have done last year. This is probably, I don't think some of it could be some dead canes from the cold, but some of it, I think I just did not prune out my old canes last year, or at least not very many of them, because I got a bunch of them that I just pruned out. Anyway, some of them I missed. I did it yesterday, and some of them I missed those. Missed that one, just deader than a hammer. What canes do you prune out? Dead, dead, dead. When they die like this, there ain't no sense having them around. I need to rake these up, put them in a burn pile, get them away from these berries just in case there's any disease and such on them. But I figured you would want to see this if you're a blackberry raiser, and maybe you've run into something like this and would like to share with me and with us. I hope all y'all are going to read the comments, and because that's where you get a lot of learning, a lot more learning than what I can give you sometimes. And this is a Ouachita. Now it's a late bloomer. It blooms 2 or 3 weeks after the Primark Freedoms, and it's covered with berries. So, and that's kind of a good reason to have more than one variety, because you get, you're going to get it late and them early and then whatever, and it just kind of spaces out your harvest, as well as spacing out problems. If you have a frost or a freeze or something, get some of them. Anyway, I thought I'd show it to you, but they do look pretty good. They look kind of skanky because of all the dead stuff, because like I say, these, instead of looking good, once that berry starts dying, the cane kind of acts like it wants to die too. So, but again, this one's got a place on it where it's got some brand new blooms that hadn't come out yet. So I guess I'm not gonna come out here and prune a bunch of these dead looking ones, because so many of them have berries on them. So anyway, just wanted to show you this, and hope you didn't have this situation. But if you did, let me know. Or if you think it's something else, you think I missed the boat on this, let me know what you think. All right, just thought I'd show it to you. Appreciate you guys, and we're gone.